Hi, I'm Michael Lang with Nextel Academy. Welcome to this video series on Git. Today we're going to talk about branching. Alright, so when you create a new repository for Git, it will always start with a master branch. So that's just one line of development that'll always be in a repository, and every commit you make on that is on that main master branch. Now that's really only useful in a single person development scenario where you always know where you're going next and you don't ever want to try any other paths or possibilities in your project. So it's not that common, just stick with the master branch only. You can always make your workflow better by introducing branching. So typically when you create a new repository, you initialize a repo, so you have an initial commit. You might make a couple commits in there at the beginning that are just like everyone's mob programming together on your team, and you're just creating the initial project outline. Okay, and then you get that initial commit for that initial mob session. And then you want to start out and say, okay, you're going to work on feature A, you're going to work on feature B, I'm going to work on feature C, and we're all going to like go in different directions and build different features, and we're done. When they're done, we're going to bring them all together. So if everybody worked on the master branch, then I would be committing a change, you'd be committing a change, and those things might not work together, and constantly you'd have to resolve those issues. And if I push something at the end of the day, just say I just want to commit it so I don't lose it, it might not be compiling, so when you pull it down the next morning, your code wouldn't work on everyone else's machine. So that's another reason why we do branching. So when I start a feature, I create a branch, I do all my commits on it, and when I'm ready, I'll merge it in, which we'll talk about in the next video. So if you scroll down in the courseware, if you're on the site already, you'll see how do you create a new branch, how do you switch between branches, and how do you publish branches up to GitHub. If you're not currently on the courseware now, you can check out the full course content at nextelacademy.com/courseware.